At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a small farm business can be an exciting venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Define your goals. What do you want to produce?
Végétables, fruits, livestock?
Research the market demand for your products. Is there a need for what you plan to produce in your area? Consider your budget and resources. How much land do you need? What equipment will you require? Create a business plan outlining your objectives, target market, budget, and marketing strategies. 2. Choose the right location. Look for land suitable for your farming activities. Consider factors like soil quality, water availability, climate, and proximity to markets. Check local zoning laws and regulations to ensure you can operate a farm on the chosen land. 3. Secure funding. Determine your startup costs and ongoing expenses. Explore funding options such as personal savings, loans, grants, or partnerships. 4. Acquire necessary skills and knowledge. Familiarize yourself with agricultural practices relevant to your chosen products. Consider attending workshops, courses, or seeking guidance from experienced farmers. 5. Obtain licenses and permits. Research the licenses and permits required to operate a farm in your area. This may include business licenses, agricultural permits, and environmental permits. 6. Set up infrastructure. Prepare the land for farming activities by clearing, tilling, and installing irrigation systems if necessary. Purchase or lease equipment and machinery needed for cultivation, harvesting, and processing. 7. Select your crops or livestock. Choose crops or livestock that are well suited to your climate and soil conditions. Consider factors like market demand, profitability, and your own expertise in managing them. 8. Implement sustainable practices. Practice environmentally friendly farming methods to minimize negative impacts on the land and surrounding ecosystem. Explore options for organic or regenerative farming practices if applicable. 9. Market your products. Develop a marketing strategy to reach potential customers. This could include selling directly to consumers through farmers markets, CSA, community-supported agriculture, programs, or online platforms. Build relationships with local restaurants, grocery stores, or food co-ops that may be interested in purchasing your products. 10. Manage finances and operations. Keep detailed records of expenses, income, and production yields. Monitor market trends and adjust your business strategies accordingly. Continuously evaluate and improve your farming practices to optimize efficiency and profitability. Remember, starting a farm business requires dedication, hard work, and flexibility. It's essential to stay informed about industry trends and adapt to changing circumstances to ensure the success of your venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.